Merry Christmas. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And today is the one day of the year that I am not going to share an idiom. I'm not going to talk about business. I'm not talking about how to grow your business, how to go from the offline world to the online world, any of it. All I want to do is wish you happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. It's the one day a year where I don't think about business. I don't do business. It's all about friends and family, about being grateful for what is, especially in a crazy year like 2020, whether we're getting together with our friends or family or not, because of the COVID, the pandemic, the politics, and everything that's been going on this year. It doesn't matter. I focus on what I can do, not what I can't do, what I am happy about, what I'm grateful for. I give what I can give, not necessarily material things, but attention and time and energy and value that's important to the other person, not just to me. There's always ways to give, no matter how low our funds are. There's always ways to be present, to pay attention, to be in the moment, to be in the experience, not just going through the motions. So many years for Christmas, we would just be running, doing so many things and shopping till we dropped, literally. To create the perfect Christmas for our kids and our families. But what's really important, and I realized this last night on Christmas Eve, is the traditions and the things that we set up with our family. I am sporting my new Minnie Mouse super duper soft pajamas for a specific reason. It's a tradition that we had when my kids were growing up and when they were little, and now my son is 29 and my daughter's 26 and expecting her first baby. And my granddaughter and my son went and picked out these adorable soft mini Christmas pajamas for my daughter and myself, and then they found some for themselves as well, just so that we could continue the Christmas tradition of opening a present that's almost always steered toward Christmas pajamas, so that we can all have cozy new fun pajamas to wear to bed on Christmas Eve. So it's those things, it's the memories we create, it's the things that we do that people remember, it's how we made people feel and how they made us feel are the things that we remember. So be present, be yourself, know that who you are is always exactly the right thing and exactly enough. It doesn't mean we're not on a track of being better and always becoming a better version of ourselves, but it means that who I am right now, who you are right now, is exactly right for this moment, and you need to enjoy that. So like I always say, be loving, love being, be you, and have an absolutely amazing Christmas holiday. And I'll be back with you tomorrow, of course, with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business today? Happy holidays.